We are at the Ritchie Center, and this place has a lot of elevators, but I'm just gonna film the one because they all look like this. And this just got a fresh modernization. And it actually has this custom DU snap cab. It's really cool. I really like this mod. Seriously, it looks so much nicer than it did before. These used to be old MTs, 300As. But let's go up, or let's go down. Or not, up. ThyssenKrupp mod. This is car 2. There's actually quite a lot of elevators at this complex. All right, up to 2. These are pretty quick actually for hydro. All right, that will be it. That's all.